Hello everyone, it's me again, and our lesson is the structure and properties of water. So today, I will explain to you the structure and properties of water in the simplest way possible. So let's start with a simple question. What is water? Water is made up of 3 atoms, 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom, which is why its chemical formula is H2O. And imagine Mickey Mouse face. The big circle is the oxygen atom, and the 2 smaller ears are the hydrogen atoms. That's what is water molecules looks like. Now, why is water so special? The oxygen atoms pulls the shared electrons closer to itself. Because of this, oxygen becomes slightly negative, while the hydrogen atoms become slightly positive. This makes water a polar molecule. Now, why water is so special? The oxygen atom pulls the shared electrons closer to itself. Because of this, oxygen becomes slightly negative, while the hydrogen atoms become slightly positive. This makes water a polar molecule. Or just think about like a magnet. One sided is a positive and the other side is negative. Because of these charges, water molecules attract each other. This attraction is called a hydrogen bond. Hydrogen bonds give water mainly important properties. First is cohesion. Water molecules stick to each other. This is why water forms droplets instead of spreading out completely. Second is adhesion. Water can also stick to other surfaces. This helps water move through the stems of plants from the roots to the leaves. Third, water has a high specific heat. This means it can absorb a lot of heat before its temperature changes. That's why our bodies stay at a stable temperature even when the weather changes. And did you know that water has another property? And that is called the universal solvent. It can solve many substances such as sugar and salt. This is important because nutrients, oxygen, and waste product travels through our blood, which is mostly water. So, why is water important in the human body? Our body is about 60% of water. Water helps transport nutrients and oxygen. It removes waste through urine and sweat, and regulates body temperature and support main chemical reactions that keep us alive. And that's the end of our topic today, but let's summarize it first. Water is made of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. It is a polar molecule that forms hydrogen bonds. These hydrogen bonds gives water special properties like cohesion, adhesion, high specific heat, and the ability to dissolve many substances. These properties makes water essential for life. And that's it. I hope you learned something today. Thank you for listening.